Let's dig into the technical details of the IQ EV charger. It's both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled, allowing for either direct connection with a smartphone or tablet, or to the Enphase cloud for integration with an Enphase energy system. It comes in 4 models with charge current ranging from 32 amps up to 64 amps. The model number indicates the circuit breaker rating for that charger. For example, the IQ EV Charger 40 charges at a rate of 32 amps, and it connects to a 40 amp breaker. The 80 connects to an 80 amp breaker and charges at a rate of 64 amps. Very few of our competitors offer charging at the very fast rate of 64 amps. And if you look at the specs of the newest EVs that are hitting the market, they tend to have faster charging or faster acceptance rates. So for customers that are getting like an F-150 Lightning, I believe some Rivian models, I think the Lucid Air, those charge at very fast rates. So if a customer wants to fully recharge their vehicle quickly, that 64 amp charger is going to be the best bet for them. For the average EV, the IQ EV chargers can add between around 28 to 56 miles of driving range per hour of charging. Of course, that does depend on the charge power of that specific model and the acceptance rate of the EV. All chargers come with a 25-foot ruggedized cable with a J1772 connector, which is compatible with all EVs on the market today. Some EVs like Tesla's use a different connector, but they provide an adapter to allow charging with any J1772 connector. The heavy-duty cable can withstand a lot of abuse, and the long 25-foot length makes it easier to reach more than one vehicle in a garage without having to shuffle cars around to reach that charger. They have an industry-leading 5-year warranty. Most EV chargers on the market have a 1 to 3-year warranty. Cable management is easy because it's built into the unit basically. If you're looking down on the top, you can see that it has a kind of a lip on the front, which creates a saddle basically for wrapping up the cable. It comes with a wall-mounted holster for the connector, which protects it from the elements, especially if it's going to be installed outside. All models are available in a hardwired option, and the 40 and 50 are also available with either a 1450p or 650p plug. The 1450p plug or receptacle is commonly found in garages as it's the standard for electric dryers. Dryer outlets are often repurposed for EV charging since they're oftentimes in a garage. As I mentioned, they both have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity options. And it's very easy to be configured. We've seen that homeowners and installers who are using the Enphase app for the first time to commission can usually do it in about 5 minutes. And once you've done it a couple of times, it's actually less than 3 minutes to commission. So it's very, very simple. They have all the certifications and listing that you'd expect. They have ETL safety listings, Energy Star rated, so they consume almost zero energy, a very, very tiny amount of energy when they're not actually charging. And the enclosure is NEMA 4 rated, so it can be installed outside as well as inside. I just want to point out one detail about this charger because there's been some confusion because of a press release that Enphase did. This is, while it's a smart charger and integrated with the Enphase system, it's not a bidirectional charger. Bidirectional charging is something that a technology that Enphase is developing, and we're working through all the kind of red tape and regulatory things that you'd expect to make it a reality within about 18 months or so.